Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a Banggood window shopping video, and every product we take a look at, I'll leave a link to it down below in the order that we go through. So let's go ahead and check for ESCs. Lately not a lot of things have been coming out, and it's been kind of deadish in a way. So it's kind of boring at the current moment of time, but overall, I mean, what else can we do? Now we're just waiting for the beta flight code to get up to date with the new hardware, for example, F7s and all that kind of crazy good stuff. All right, so as we can see here, we have this from Racerstar. It's called the Crazy Bee F3 flight controller. What is this? It's a 5 amp 1S. Is it brushed or brushless? Let's take a look at this. This is pretty interesting. So okay, so it's a brushed, I think. Yeah, it seems like it. Let's double check it. So it is a flight controller 1S tiny root racing. It's for brushless with a receiver, 4-in-1 ESC, OSD, current. Holy crap, that's insane. So this is a 4-in-1 ESC, a flight controller, a receiver, OSD, and a current meter, all in one design. That's pretty insane. So it takes a 1S LiPo and the high volt 1S LiPo also. 5 amp continuous, 6 amp peak for 3 seconds, and Xt60, so it's running BB2 chips, and it's running the FR Sky. I'm actually gonna have to pick me up one of these. This is insane. This is actually very awesome, because currently I just got my CNC machine, and got a couple of carbon fiber plates coming and a lot of things. So we're going to be doing a lot of DIY projects, and we're going to be doing custom frames just for fun on the channel. So, and we'll do some like 6-inch arms for the frog, and if anyone's interested in purchasing some to support the channel, let me know. That'd be awesome. So this, I'm probably going to pick up like 3 of these because I have a couple ideas to do with this. This is actually very awesome. Alright, so I'll left a link to that. Let's go ahead and check out the other ones here. Alright, so this is 70 amp ESCs. We've seen these before. I mean, they're going to be huge, but 115 bucks. So yeah, I'll pass. Alright, so the HTRC Zeus. I still have it in front of me. I have no idea what to put it on just yet, but I do have a good idea. So I don't know if any of you've seen the Turret 130 or know about the Turret 130. So the Turret 130 doesn't have generic 20x20, neither 30x30 hole mounting hole size. So I'm actually designing a new bottom plate for the Turret, and which will take 20x20, and this is where I'm planning on installing the HLRC Zeus on my Turret, because I love it so much and it's just so outdated right now, and I really want to bring back life to it. So that one's gonna be pretty insane. So this is a nice little stack. This is what I'm probably going to be putting in it. $95, pretty expensive. So it's a 4-in-1 ESC. It's a 20x20 flight controller. I'm not flight. Yeah, it's an all-in-one flight controller with the ESCs, which is pretty insane for a 20x20, 15 amps, and it comes with this one. It comes with the VTX up to 350 milliwatts. So overall, it's a pretty nice little package. It is kind of expensive, but I still don't know. I haven't done any real testing. I'll leave a link to this down below. I haven't done any real testing to it just yet, but I will be very soon. So this will be very interesting also. Let's go down here. Hack RC. This is nice little cheap one. 20 amps. Wow. I tested Hack RC stuff. It's a hit and miss sometimes, but this seems okay, I guess. Let's just see its specs. So this looks like the VTX from IOMWay that they just released, almost like identical. So what do we have here? We have an F4 flight controller. It has a 5-volt BEC on board, rated up to 2 amps, 2 to 4S. So the flight controller takes 2 to 4S. BLHeli just support, okay, blah blah blah. I mean, 20 amp 4-in-1 ESC, 2 to 4S LiPo, and it takes high volt batteries also, which is pretty insane. And what do we got? Xt60 BB2 chip, okay. And the VTX is rated up to 200 milliwatts. How many channels? Where are we? Where's the channels? 48 channel. It's a 48 channel. So it's F4, but I didn't read anything saying OSD. So that's kind of, oh no, it does OSD firmware, I think. What the hell is OSD firmware? Okay, yeah, that makes sense, I think. Anyways, it might have OSD, but I don't see it anywhere. Huh? But they showed us both sides. Yeah, it does. It's right there. So yeah, it does have OSD. So this is a very nice one. For 60 bucks. You get a lot for 60 bucks. So I'll leave a link to this down below. It's pretty awesome. I'm actually going to pick me up one of these. So this looks cool. Let's see what else we have. Fusion X3. Oh, nope. What do we have here? This is the little B. These are little B actually. ESCs. So I would avoid these at all costs. Well, maybe I'm being too mean, but I mean the previous testing on my little B, every little B was absolute not good ESC. Let's just leave it at that. Still by far one of the best ESCs ever. I'll leave a link to these down below. So these are pretty insane here. This is like, if you wanted a proper setup, I would highly recommend you would go with something like this. This will outperform, or just it's just a peace of mind, you know. If you don't know what to get, you know, I'm afraid I don't know what to get. I don't know about the VTX. The VTX just works. I don't know if it bleeds if you're racing. I'm not going to be able to answer that for you. But what I can answer for you is that flight controller is a beast, and those ESCs are just insane. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this down below if you're curious about it. So this is, you know, if you have the cash and you're just like, I don't want to risk it, I don't want to have to, that's it, just get these, install, and you're good to go. I freaking love it. That's it. Just know it's gonna work. It's just awesome. So here's the HTRC XJB, the one that I was talking about the other day if you've been watching my channel. However, this one's a little bit different. I already mentioned the same one that I have, which also comes with FPV camera. So this is a whole stack right here, but the number is different. It's a F438. Mine is a 28, I think. So 38 means it's the amperage on the ESC. So this is an even stronger or better ESC that's on this stack. Everything else is the same except the ESC here. So this ESC is rated, I believe, 33 amps and 38 amp burst, if I remember correctly. Let's just double check this. Where's the ESC? ESC. I just lost it. There it is. Yeah, so it's a constant current of 33 amps and a 38 amp burst. So that's pretty good. And overall, you know, this stack is very nice. I used it. Not the exact ESC here, but you know, these are very fragile where your battery are kind of going to connect to. So be extra careful of how you mount those wires. Be very careful, actually. So take that into consideration. I'll leave a link to this down below if you're curious. Overall, my stack was good except that part. So I bought 2 of them. And one of the ESCs got ruined because I ripped off the pads there. What is this? I haven't seen this one. So this is an what? 20 by 20? What? Where was this hiding? So check this out. This is a 20 by 20 HLRC 40 amp BL Heli 32 3 to a 5S 32-bit flight controller. What? That's just awesome. So it connects to their standard, so it's gonna need, obviously it's gonna need, if it's gonna be running 22 or 2306 motors or something. So yeah, this is definitely going on my list. 60 bucks. Oh my god, thing's expensive. Better be worth it. So we'll give it a run. See how good this thing is. We'll do some bench testing on it. So this is pretty interesting. Alright, the LRC engine is the second best 4-in-1 ESC I've ever used and I've ever tested in my life, so take that into consideration also. The Tico 32 4-in-1 ESC is the best bench testing, but still have not done the real world testing, so we're going to have to wait on that to be done. We're just waiting basically for the weather to clear up. Alright, let's go down here. Okay. Alright, so I don't want to take too much of your time, so we'll just jump to maybe flight controllers or frames or quadcopters. Let's take a look here. Let's just do one quick pass through here. Everything seems old here. Yeah. These are good, by the way. I've tested these. These are very good. These are 50 amp ESCs from Flycolor. They're very good. I still have them. I haven't used them though. Well, at least the bench testing was good. That's what I'm trying to say here. Let's see. What do we got on quadcopters? I really want those new ones that are coming out, those little tiny ones. Oh, the Diatone finally got released. So this is going to be pretty interesting. Try to get me one of those. What do we have here? Okay, is this brushless? Nope, this is brushed. These are brushed. What about this one? Nope. So I saw the other day, I saw a DYS one that was brushless, but I haven't really looked into it if it was any good or not. I'm really looking to get one for myself right now, actually. Just to fly it around when I'm bored. So there's nothing here really. Yeah, we're just gonna stay with just finish it up to what we checked today, and we'll do another video later on separate for frames, and we'll do another video for other things, maybe tools too if you guys are interested in that. But I don't want to take up most of your time, guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join my Patreon. Help me support this channel, support the mission, document everything. And you could always use the affiliate links down below. Those greatly support the channel. And I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.